In this video, we will understand about the measurement unit available in a garment. To access this screen, log into SuperAdmin, navigate to Master, then open Garments. Now, while creating a garment or editing a garment, there is a drop-down available for measurement unit. This one. These are the three different measurement unit. Now let's first talk about the most basic one, pieces. So pieces is equivalent to count or quantity. For an example, a shirt is counted as one garment, a trouser, one garment, a jeans, one garment. So pieces is the most simplest one available in the system. Whenever you create a garment in a measurement unit as pieces, it means a very basic and simple formula will be applied while creating an order. The number of quantity or the pieces that you put in an order and the rate, then it will automatically multiply the quantity with the rate and will show us the actual amount. Thank you. I hope it helps. Let me also show you how it works on order generation screen. I am creating an order and this garment is in measurement unit as pieces. I have specified price as 100 and quantity as 5. Now when I click on add to order, we will see it will show us quantity as 5, pieces as 5 and amount is 500 because the one garment price was 100. If it multiply by 5, the amount will be 500. If now I save the order and will see the invoice will have the same calculations. Thank you. This is how the pieces or count quantity, simple quantity works in QDC.